one thing that I wanted to share with you today, and I think you really need to see this, is what a motorhome or travel trailer, well, motorhome, because you aren't going to really go down the road in your travel trailer. So this is what our motorhome looks like, all buttoned up. So I want to share this with you because they don't really show you this when you buy it. Right? Of course, this is the front, not a big deal, doesn't change. We added a mattress up here. Of course, this comes down when we're camped so that we can have my son sleep. But recognize this is a little lower, so I hit my head every once in a while. But we really like having the mattress for our son. Second, this slide out's in. I always put the slide out locks in because I do not want my slide out damaged. When their slide outs are in, put the locks on them. We have 2 dogs. Sometimes we have a dog sit right there. Other times, well, the best is under there or in the back, and I'll show you where that is. Because usually with 3 kids and a wife and me, I'm driving, there's somebody in the front seat, but this is all just a floor of feet and legs. And you can tell it gets pretty tight. But I like it because it's forward. Everybody can be part of the conversation. Everybody's close. You can see too, going down the road, the nice thing with it being tight, you can lean up against the refrigerator while you're making lunch. So if the road's, you know, a little bumpy or there's turns or I'm driving too fast, it's kind of nice that it's tight, because if you lose your balance, you really aren't going to go anywhere. However, always lock your door too, because the step well is bad, and if you have a child lose their balance as they're going to the bathroom, you can fall down the step well and crash into the door, and without the deadbolt on, they can fly right out the motorhome. So we keep our kids seat belted unless they have to go to the bathroom or there's something else that they need to do. And with this coach, there's 4 seat belts, 6 seat belts total. Good stuff. Bathroom, we can barely get into it, so it's nice that we have a skinny family. You can see my toolkit's there. Nice and small. We can still use it when we're going on the road. Works great for us. Here's our 2 bunks. Again, really tight. We usually put our second dog back here to take care of them, and then you'll see there's no room in the bed area. You've got to jump on the bed to get over there if you need to, but very, very tight. You'll see there's my Bluetooth speaker. Got a TV there in the front. You see how that TV is right next to the bunks. Even with it slid out, it's too close, and when we're watching TV, it distracts our kids from sleeping. Other improvements that we've made, a lot of hooks, we like hooks. This bar here, fantastic, because then you don't damage the handle, you don't damage the screen. Our kids and everybody knows to plumb that handle. It's very sturdy, very stable, fantastic for us, and cheap. Very, very inexpensive. Good quality, inexpensive. The drawer here, again, kind of talked about that. Fantastic as we're going down the road to get pens and pencils so the brood doesn't have to get out of their seats. Again, more hooks. Talk to you about the bed. We added drawers. Very, very big help, especially on our 2-week trips to get more storage. We got a drawer here too. Keep the garbage can here so that I can throw garbage away and it doesn't move around and it doesn't block the aisleway. Well, I think that's about it, but let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think. I just wanted to show you what a motorhome looks like when it's all buttoned up and you're driving down the road, because it has its advantages and it has its disadvantages, and when you go look on the internet for photos of motorhomes that you're looking to purchase, they usually don't show it to you all buttoned up because they want you to see how spacious it is and how amazing and fantastic it is when you're camping, which is good. But there's also this part of it too that I wanted to share. So thanks so much. Let me know what you think.